Here you go, Lamoille Canyon as seen through the truck window.
Starting to drift.
I'm just going to quote Harriet. We have no business being on this road. Mostly because we're not even going to be able to see. We saw those 3 deer, but we're not going to be able to see any big horned sheep because I cannot spot them in this blizzard. I think this would be a very pretty canyon if you could see it.
Exactly like that Indian point. See? There's waterfall.
It's recording.
I'm not sure I'm aiming the right direction, but there's frozen waterfalls.
Here you go. What's a glacier? Sign. Totally covered by a snowdrift. There you go. I don't know, but out there's a whole big blizzard. I really wish I could see this canyon. Just to prove we are not the only ones here. This doesn't count the people that have pulled out of here. Look at that. This would be so pretty if you could see it. Cars here. We just had a big trailer pull out. What I did want to show you was the road. Most of the way up, the road was just like frozen chunks of ice that people had made their own trail through, so it was just like this big bumpy mess of a road. It's really quite pretty. This is fun. Oh. Nice smooth trail coming out of here.